Hello everyone, this is Pietro and I am back with another presentation tip for you. Oh my god, it's my turn! I have to go on stage now! Many people will be looking at me. Lights and cameras will be pointed at me. Oh god, I just forgot my script. I'm gonna make a fool out of myself. Somebody please help me! Welcome to tip number 5, how to deal with stage fright. Dear viewers, don't worry. A little bit of palpitations of the heart, a little bit of excitement, in other words, a little bit of stage fright before speaking in public or before presenting is absolutely normal. How strongly you feel it though depends on your character and on your self-confidence. If you're prone to stage fright, then you will probably always feel it, but there are interesting methods to deal with it. The first method is being prepared for the job. An accurate preparation is crucial. What does that mean for you? Well, let me illustrate that with an example. Let's say you are the host of the launch event of a new product. In this case, get to know the product inside out. What makes it so special? What are its main benefits for the users? What is its history? How was it developed? What is its main purpose? And so on. Then study the producing company, its history, its milestones, its mission, and so on. And then get to know the people, for example, the product experts, that you're going to introduce or even interview on stage. Try to figure out what kind of characters they are. Ask them what they're going to say, what they're going to do on stage. Ask them what questions they would like to be asked on stage. You do this to guarantee the most fluid and most natural interaction with them. I think you got the point. The last thing as far as preparation is concerned, don't learn by heart. Rather try to understand the matter. Sounds like a lot of work, doesn't it? Well, even though in most cases you will be supported by your customers, it's indeed quite laborious, but hey, nobody ever said it's gonna be easy. The second method. Before going on stage, ask yourself this question. Why am I going to present? The answer is simple. You are going to present because you were either asked to do it, or commissioned to do it, or in the best case, booked to do it. Either way, that means that there are people who think that you can do it, people who trust you to do it, and people who like the way you do it. I mean, that's a positive and encouraging feeling, isn't it? The third method is watching my previous videos, where I am telling you how to stay relaxed by not trying to be perfect, how to make a good first impression, how to keep your parts short and sweet, and how to use your hands while presenting. One last but interesting fact. Did you know that stage fright has got positive aspects too? No kidding. While having stage fright, for example, it is very unlikely that you will have to sneeze or cough or produce other, let's say, disadvantageous noises with your body. And this was tip number 5. How to deal with stage fright. Please let me know in the comments if you find it useful. Please like and share. And should you still prefer to hire a professional presenter, here's what I have to offer.
We will address today's topics in a lot. Tendenze beschleunigen Entwicklungsprozesse. Vi ricordo i nostri hashtag per i vostri contributi tipologia completamente nuova e révolutionnaire. Cette année, nous avons un événement hybride.
Thanks for watching and bye-bye.